And return once more. You have to keep your left shoulder over your left toe. Now back to now keep that left shoulder back. And whoosh. That's better. Okay, put it around, turn around. Put your left foot in front. Now you're going to turn to the left. Now start from your right toe, pull. Slowly plie. Now back to the right. And push. Right shoulder, right shoulder. See, wherever you fall is where your weight went. Okay? Once more. Your head is going to turn. Your left arm is going to turn. But your right shoulder is not going to move. It's going to stay back there and flick. All right? Better. Breathe out. Don't hold your breath. Yeah, you have to exhale. Inhaling is not going to help you.